I wanted to make an addition to my previous short. So the new cast iron, the castings are very low quality and you can't really tell, but they're very bumpy. It's like that way in the pan. I want to show you something real fast. Here's a fork. I'm gonna just rest the fork and listen to the tone. It's quiet. Here's the 110-ish, 120-year-old cast iron, well used. Still sounds very smooth. Here is the store-bought modern cast iron, and you can see the gritty texture. Listen to this. One more time. Compared to the polish I just put on it, that's going to make a huge difference. So like I said, polish your cast iron. It'll work almost as good as the old stuff.